Hi, this is Brad. Today in this video we want to show you the trash can enclosure that my grandson and I started to build last fall. As you can see, it's not yet finished. We want to briefly explain why we are building it, what we love about it, share some of the building steps along the way, and hopefully inspire you to start that DIY project that you've been meaning to start. Let's get right into this. This is the part that I love about it. I can put my recycling bin in here. Then I can take my regular trash can I can fit that in here as well. And what I really love is that, let's say I buy a big screen TV, I got a big box, or I got whatever piece of trash, always doing DIYs, I don't have a lot of space to store my trash until I go to the dump, what have you. So besides storing our trash and recyclables, we have space for other items in here. We do use it. Sometimes I'll store, like I need some soil on the ground here. I'll show you that a little later. But I have 4 bags of soil that I've been storing in here as well. So it's just a nice place to store things before you either dispose of them or use them in the yard. I also love by having our trash cans stored out here. It seems like we have less ants in our house, less in the garage. I like that. And I like the idea that when you close this, there's an eye hook that holds it closed. You don't even have to open it. You can just reach down, open the trash can, in it goes. Now the recyclables, I have a bin in the house. I only have to empty that once a week. I can go along the side, do the same thing, or I can go in there. And I just love the idea that this is outside. I have more space in my garage as well. One more reason to keep your trash cans out of your garage. Turns real easy on the wood decking. Doesn't matter how full it is. Then I can just roll it right out. Again, turns real easy. Just roll it right out. Because we have a hill here and also for curb appeal, we made this trash can enclosure lengthwise rather than side by side. We also want to make room for a walkway to the left of the enclosure going into the backyard. In past years, with 2 drain spouts coming down, this whole side of the house would build up with snow and ice, and it was very treacherous to get the trash cans. One year I had a bad fall, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons for wanting this enclosure. We also had to move quite a bit of dirt and rocks and take it to the landfill. Did you ever wonder what it looks like at a landfill? We installed 2 6-inch wide corrugated flexible drainage pipes that can be purchased in 10-foot sections. They extend 17.5 feet from our house. This moves a lot of water away from our house and also from our neighbor's house. Eventually we want to install a pop-up drain. We installed a ledger board on the garage foundation, and across from this 2 ground contact treated 4x4s. The copper ground treated wood should last longer and retain more of a browner color than the green pressure treated lumber. We use 5/4 inch by 6 inch pressure treated green decking boards for the deck to save money. I cannot describe to you the joy of being able to collaborate with my grandson on this DIY. We hope to make a second video detailing more of the project itself in the future. But for now, thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Silver Lining Daydreams. And as always, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Wet me?
Good job.
That wet me. Okay. Whoa.
All right. Ready? I think we might be a little too high. Okay, are you on?
Yeah.
Hold on. Jump out. Okay. Good job.